Hello? Okay. So I was just talking to myself and it reminded me of a discussion that I had like 6 months ago. Okay. And I was like, wow, identity. Who am I? And I'm like, I am a pie. I'm a pie because I have slices. I have aspects of myself that add up to an entire total being, right? 8 slices, one pie. You could talk about pizza, you could talk about baked goods, but you're pie. Think of the, I guess, fractions of it. So every pie has a number of slices. And if it's a full pie, the slices might be even. But the thing is, the identity construct of you and me is different. So my slices of, compassion might be a little bit bigger than yours. My slice of patience might be a little bit smaller than yours. You know what I mean? Anger. I don't really have an anger slice, but I do have a little sprinkled on top. You know what I mean? But that's because that's my pie. That's identity. Everybody has their own slices, which construct their whole pie. But the thing is, sometimes we don't like the slices that we're given. Sometimes we don't actually like blueberries. Sometimes we don't like rhubarb. You know what I mean? I think I just had a strawberry rhubarb pie for dinner, so that's what's on my mind. That's why I'm thinking about pies. But that is why I'm thinking about pies. Anyways, if you don't like the piece of the pie that's taking up majority of your, identity, I think it's time for you to reflect and get rid of it. You know what I mean? Because if anything, if I've learned anything over the last, 6 months, it's that you are the creator of your own reality and you are in charge of what you deserve, what you do and don't like, what you take from others, and how you allow yourself to be treated. And if you are someone who is allergic to fucking blueberries, why the fuck are you letting someone put blueberries in your pie? You know what I mean? Like, identity is crazy, but I know my worth. I know that I don't want to get executed every time I want to eat a damn pie. So that means I just won't be eating blueberries with people who make me feel like I want to fucking die. Guys, that's bars. I'm not even gonna lie. Put me in the studio. Actually, let's go make some music. Yeah, anyways, so yeah, that's my pie theory. You accept the love you think you deserve, but honestly, you probably deserve more.